Okay, so it's about 8:30. I'm gonna head up to not Sonic Boombox, the Funimation One Piece launch party, I think.
Like your attitude, let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you.
Okay, so I am officially in the Funimation One Piece party. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can even hear me. Yeah.
Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop.
Hello, welcome to the One Piece exhibition.
And now with no regret, we make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.
I was here and I wasn't expecting this guy, but this is Robin. You guys know him. I'll drop his handle right here. How do you like it? You guys were in NYCC? No, not at all. Here.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all
Recently, alright, Luffy, what's your favorite drink?
I like soju and sake. All the soju and sake.
You like all alcohol?
Yes, all alcohol is good. All alcohol is good. It doesn't matter. Soju.
feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
Alright, so what's this? West Coast, Best Coast, East Coast, Beast Coast. Come on now. Okay, so that was the Funimation One Piece party, so that was pretty cool. I think that was the first time they ever threw anything like that. So, you know, keep an eye out for that. So they'll probably, this was a good turnout for them. So they might do more stuff like this. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with.
Alright, so we're out. Get some nightlife for you guys. So we're gonna start off getting something to eat and drink. Catch up with some friends.
What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
Okay, so we're gonna have one drink before we go now.
$2 shots, and nobody's angry. Everyone's happy.
Yeah, so we were gonna get something to eat, something at that bar, but then this guy just came and dropped some knowledge. This bar called Rudy's. It's supposed to be like the #1 bar in the world, right?
Or hot dogs.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can miss.
Okay, so we took the subway, now we are in the Chinatown area.